What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Krystal here, and today I am back with another review video. I am super excited about this review. I was able to review the Mrs. Kisses Moderate Plunge Bra, so if you're interested in seeing what I thought about it, stay tuned. So, if you don't know, Mrs. Kisses is a female-owned undergarment company. They have made the first frontless, backless, and strapless bra. That is an entire mouthful, but pretty much it's everything that you would want in a bra, so like, who wouldn't want it? I randomly was scrolling on Instagram a couple months ago, and I scrolled past the ad, and I was like, ooh, what is this? So I went to their Instagram profile, and I clicked on the website, and I was just like, wow, this bra is like amazing. And I was like, okay, I don't even wear bras, but for whatever reason, I was like, I want this bra. I need this bra. So I went to see how much it was, and I was like, this bra was over $100. And I was like, nope, you don't want the bra. You don't need that bra. So I didn't buy the bra. But I brought it up to Steven, and I was just telling him, like, I think I want the bra. And he was like, I think you should get the bra, but you guys know me. I stay on a budget. And I was like, I can't bring myself to buy this bra. Like, it's just too expensive. So I just let it go. But as of lately, we've been talking about the wedding and the silhouette of my dress, and it has a sweetheart neckline. So I do need to find a really good fitting bra. And so Steven was like, just buy the bra. Like, and I was like, okay. So I went on their website and I noticed that they now offer a bridal kit bra. So that's the one I got. It is in moderate plunge. They do offer 3 different sizes on the website. They offer a modest, the moderate, and the deep plunge, although they are out of the deep plunge right now, and I'm not sure if or when they are going to restock. So with taxes and everything in total, the bra came to $135. It hurt my heart to make that purchase, but I did. So I made the order on the 19th. The next day I got an email saying that my shipping label was created, and also in the email they said to download this app called Arrival, which gives you step-by-step notifications on where your package is. So once I downloaded the app, it just gave me notifications on where and when, and my package arrived on the 23rd. So that was pretty quick shipping. They do advertise on the website that they offer free 7-day shipping to anyone in the US, which is pretty cool because nowadays sometimes the shipping prices, they be hitting. Like, they be hitting. So I was glad to have free shipping on that. When I got the package, it arrived in this cute little white bag that just has their logo and says Mrs. Kisses. Sorry, it's very like bright and holographic. But it came in this. Inside came the bra, the volumizing pads, 4 slip grips, and the strap. It's an optional strap in case you feel uncomfortable or you need to feel more supported in the bra. So I already have my bra set up. Once you open the package, it prompts you to go to their website and watch the step-by-step tutorial on how to set up your bra. If after watching the tutorial, it's still a little bit difficult, you can set up a FaceTime or a Skype call, and one of the consultants can help you figure out how to adjust the bra sizing to you. This bra does fit size A all the way through size J, so they pretty much made sure, you know, all the boobies can fit. So I already have my bra set up for you. So it just looks like this. These are the volumizing pads, and these can come off. So it's the paddles, and you can just push this in or pull it out depending on how much cleavage you want. And then the front paddles, you can pull them outward or push them inwards depending on the coverage that you're looking for. And the volumizing pads, they just go right on top, because since this is like pushing into your breasts to hold them together, it will make the sides look more cut off. So to give your breast the full rounded shape, they have these volumizing pads, which I think are amazing. I'm going to do a tutorial to show you guys exactly how to put the bra on, and then I will let you guys know how I feel about it after. I do want to give a disclaimer. I am going to be showing you how I put this bra on myself. So this is just the view from the front before I put the bra on, as well as a view from the side.
I do want to give a shout out to all the girls who also have a Biggie Smalls. Embrace it, love it. So you're going to push the paddle against the fatty tissue of the breast and pull over while using your opposite hand to pull your other breast and place it in between the other paddle. And voila, just like that, you have perfect cleavage. This bra is so easy to put on. It creates a really nice cleavage, and from this side you get a very nice rounded look.
So this is how the bra fits on me. I love it. It is a lot of cleavage going on, but I feel like sometimes that's the look that we're going for. If you want a little bit more of a relaxed, like not so pushed together look, you can pull the bar apart. It will release and it won't, push your boobs together so much. But this is pretty much like the best that you're gonna get. This is what they offer, and they give it to you. They really do. All in all, I love this bra. 10 out of 10 would recommend it. I feel very supported. Oops, I jumped around a little bit off camera just to make sure that I didn't fall out or the bra didn't slip off, and it didn't go anywhere at all. So very, very supported. As you guys seen, there is an underwire, but it just lays like flush to my stomach. It's not digging in or anything like that. If you put this bra on and you don't feel supported, or you don't, feel like it's tight enough to you, then it does come with the support strap, which hooks on one end, goes around your back, and hooks on the other, and has adjustable straps so you can tighten it to fit exactly how you want it to fit to you. I didn't necessarily need it, and on the website it is referred to as training wheels, so you can use it, but you're eventually going to get to a point where you don't need to use it at all. Like I said, I feel very comfortable in this, and I don't feel as though I need the straps. I feel very supported. Another thing to note is that this bra does not lift. It just pushes together to create that cleavage. You're not getting any lift from bottom to top as like a normal bra would do. But I feel like with a regular strapless bra, there's not really too much of a lift that happens there either. So it's not that big of a deal to me. I am genuinely like in love with this, and I'm just like mind blown at what this bra was able to offer, because there is no regular bra out there that offers, anything really close to this. Outside of, you can maybe get the look of cleavage, but you're not going to get, the backless or strap, or well, you can get strapless from a strapless bra, but you're not going to be able to have it, be backless at the same time, which is really amazing. 10 out of 10 would definitely recommend this bra. I'm like so in love with it. I'm very happy that I made this purchase. So I hope that this video was informative and was able to help you guys understand a little bit more about the bra, and I hope you guys liked it, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Remember to comment, like, subscribe, and follow your girl on all her social medias, because yeah, just follow me. I follow back, I promise. So I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.